Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Line, and this is episode 287 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions, we read the questions, and the answers, and we take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about why does Carnival block the HDMI ports on the TVs in the room or not allow casting? Can you create a wait list for accessible rooms, please? Does Carnival still offer a day pass for back-to-back cruises? Why is there no senior drink package? What's with all the horse poop at Half Moon Cay?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser asked, why does Carnival insist on blocking the HDMI ports and not allowing casting on the TVs in the room? John said, you're right. Yes, we do block them, and there are no planned changes to do this. This is both for operational and safety reasons. I'm not sure what the safety reasons or operational reasons are. The only thing I could think of is when they have to do an emergency broadcast. If you're casting, it can't cut into whatever you're casting or what you have plugged in. So you may miss an important get the hell off the ship and get to your lifeboat thing. That's the only thing I could think of. Other than that, I mean, it would be kind of cool to be able to do that. Other thing is, it's a business. They probably want you out drinking, eating, spending money. But I think it's more of they might not be able to interrupt your casting to broadcast something that would be super important. Question two. This cruiser was wondering if Carnival could possibly create a waiting list for accessible rooms because they're usually sold out very quickly, and with canceled reservations, they have to keep checking the website to see if an accessible room is open. John said he's not sure they can publicly do that and put it on a website, but this is why he encourages people to either have a travel agent or a PVP to help with this kind of thing. We don't use either, even though both are very valuable, but I think in a situation like this, if you had a PVP or a travel agent and said, hey, I need an accessible cabin, can you continuously check on this date, this sailing, so on and so forth, and let me know if one opens, and if it does, book it. So I think that's where it would be a very valuable option. So if you like accessible cabins or you need an accessible cabin, I would use a PVP or a travel agent to help you with that. Question three. This cruiser wanted to know if they still offer a day pass when doing a back-to-back cruise. This cruiser will be in Libsyn, and they get in at 7 a.m., and the cruise doesn't leave until 6 p.m., so they would like to do a day tour while in port. John said, of course you can go ashore and make sure they check what time the ship must be back on board. So we did a back-to-back, and they will give you, it's not called the day pass, I forget what it was called. Get back on ship or something. Basically, if you're getting off the boat, and you want to get back on in port, they give you a little piece of paper, and it kind of helps you with the process. So if you're in a port and you'd like to get off and it's a back-to-back, you can. Don't worry about it. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question four. This cruiser asked, why is there no senior drink package similar to the kids and teens package? John said they don't have these, and quite honestly, he doesn't think they ever will. He's not sure at which age you would actually start a drink package. What's senior? Is it Denny's senior, where it's 55 plus for the early bird special? Is it AARP senior, which is theoretically 50? No clue. But I mean, if you're gonna drink and you like drinking, or you like drinking, get the Cheers package. If you don't want alcoholic beverages, get the Cheers Zero Proof, and you get a whole bunch of different stuff. So people ask this all the time. Can we get one if I drink 2 or 3 drinks a day? No. Buy 2 or 3 drinks a day. It's not that expensive. Seriously. Just, yeah, whatever. No drink packages except the normal ones. Period. Last question. This cruiser asked if they're going to address the horse poop at Half Moon Cay, whatever it's called now. While they were swimming in the ocean, they were surrounded by horse dung from the horseback riding excursion. Is that a fish? Oh? Oh! John said this has already been addressed. So obviously a lot of people have complained about it, and we never done the horseback riding. It looks beautiful. The water's amazing. The area is amazing. But horses, they don't use the restroom. They're like, they just go where they want to. So, I mean, I don't know if they like put a skimmer behind the horse, or apparently they've addressed the issue and it's no longer a shippy issue. So there you go. That's been episode 287 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.